Okubba obululu kubaddewo okuva 1962. Bano ba opposition groups zino babba obululu 1962 abasinga okubba obululu bali ba UPC. Bali babba mu, maybe I should say this in English, you can translate, because otherwise I may not explain it very well. You can translate it later. The cheating in 1962 was by ballot stuffing. They were ballot stuffing because they had, that time it was like a joke. First of all, each party had its own ballot box. For DP with a hole on top, UPC with a hand, Kawakayaka with a finger like this. So somebody would come and then they were in an enclosed room, Kisakati. They put the inside. Somebody would disappear alone there, and having come with ballot papers in a court, in collusion with the returning officers. So that was in 1962. And multiple voting here, voting there. So ballot stuffing, multiple voting. Now, we didn't vote again for 18 years, until 1980. When 1980 was approaching, we met and we said, you people don't repeat 1962. Now, let's make the following reforms. Number one, don't vote in Eksakati, vote in the open. Akasanduku kabere bweru. Secondly, one ballot paper and one ballot box. Okujako tuchekewo obubonero bw'ebibiina ne pictures z'abantu ku kalulu otikinga gwoyagala. So we thought, and then there were also other measures like you count immediately after voting and you announce. So we thought those would, but this can work, but they depend on vigilance. If the people are vigilant, it can work. But many people are not vigilant. They trust that the system is fair. So what has been happening now, not only last year, for a long time, the opposition in Kampala here, there have been ballot stuffing. But this time, last year, 2021, they went further and printed their own fake ballot papers on Nkrumah Road. Then those were the 1 million. Then they imported from Dubai 1.7 million. So altogether they cheated 2.7 million. So that's why now the answer is, from 1962, I've been telling people, you must not leave our children with the problem of contested elections. We must have elections which are not contested. And the best way to do it is to go scientific. Have people's fingerprints, even their eyes, and nobody votes if he is not the one recorded. So that's what we are doing now. initially they were playing me tricks. So no. Abafrika ebinkumbi byabwe byasiwuuka ku lw'enkumbi mbu kubanga balima, the fingers no longer have the grooves which you see on people's fingers. But now we are saying that even if your finger is eroded, your eye is not eroded. We shall go by the iris. So that is the issue. That is the issue there. To stop ballot stuffing and multiple voting by tagging the kalulu to the identity of the person to a particular polling station. Tasobola kwogera byonna nibikwatagana. So eyo discipline gye batalina. But I will manage them. I've been training them. Kukigambo ky'okukuba abantu na tocha tibyetaagisa. Mbadde mpulira Kyagulanyi agamba nti abaserikale batono nti bariotas bangi. Banange temuwuliriza bya Kyagulanyi. Temuwuliriza bya Kyagulanyi kubanga tebirinamu kulengera. Kubanga buli muserikale omu alina amasasi 12. Kati ekibala ekyo bw'ogamba nti bariotas bangi sooka obala amasasi g'abaserikale ojja oyogere ku namba. It's not a number, it is okugoberera ebiragiro. N'olwekyo temweraliikirira mwena mugende mulonde tewagenda kutabula Uganda taliiwo. Anaagezako agenda kwejusa.